Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Get Academy. Here is a recruitment update from RBI, Reserve Bank of India. When you will go to the official website of rbi.org.in, here you can see one direct recruitment for the post of officers in grade B. DR is stand for the direct recruitment. On probation, this is for the general DEPR DSIM category. Okay, let's check it out. So when we will go to the official PDF, here the detailed PDF. So as I told you, they are going to recruit for the post of officers in grade B. Okay, the first thing is the detailed advertisement will be available on this one. This is the website link only. Candidate to ensure their eligibility for the post. So first of all, you need to check whether you are eligible here or not. Okay, now the second thing is online mode of application. So candidates are required to apply online only through the bank's website. This is the website www.rbi.org.in here. Okay, no other mode of submission of applications is available. The next thing is, if you are having any graduation degree, means including BE BTech also, in any of the branch, you are eligible to applying here. Okay, because they will recruit on the basis of their own written test, which will be in the 2 phases. So that's why you need to apply here if you are having any graduation degree, including engineering degree also, BE BTech. So now let's check it out, the important details here. Okay, brief information for filling up the form. You can just click here online application form. Now when I'm coming to important dates, so website link open for online registration of applications and payment of application fees, intimation charges. It will start from the 25th July. Today is the 26th. So yes, I think it is open. You can just try. Now the last date will be 16th August because it's open up to the 16th August till 6 p.m. So you need to check the website. You need to go there for applying also. And here for officers in grade B, DR. DR stands for the direct recruitment. I am talking about general. So in this case, we will have a detailed discussion. Phase 1 online examination will be on the 8th September. Phase 2 paper 1, 2 and 3 online examination will be on the 19th October 2024. Okay, ji. Now, so here now it's mentioned that candidates will have to appear only in one shift of phase 1 examination. It's mentioned here the $sign, and the next is hashtag. So meaning of this hashtag is candidates will have to appear in all the shift of paper 2. So in the paper 1 you need to appear only with the one shift because they are having in phase 1 only one paper. In phase 2 they are having 3 paper 1, 2 and 3. So you need to attend all the 3. Okay, now help facility, you can go this one and you can just go for them more details. Use of mobile phones and other electronic device will be banned shortly while the examination. The next is number of vacancies. Yes, so here officers in grade B, D are general for unreserved 27, this one. So total number of vacancies are 66 in this case. Okay, for unreserved. For DEPR category 21, for DSIM 7 vacancies are there. Now let's come to the next one. If you want to go with the more details, you can just check here the format. So everywhere it is mentioned related to the format, you can check and you can apply also. Okay, ji. Now this is you can see the abbreviations also more mentioned. And when I'm coming to the next one, use of scribe and compensatory time. This is for the 40% disability. Okay. Now service conditions. So pay scale will be there. Selected candidates will draw a starting basic pay of rupees 55,200 per month in the pay scale of 55,200 to 2850. This is the pay scale mentioned. Okay, applicable to officers in grade B, and they will also be eligible for the special allowances, grade allowances, dearrence allowances, local compensatory allowances. So there are lots of the things, special grade allowances, learning allowances, house rent allowances, and so on. So at present, initially monthly gross emoluments are 1,22,717 approximately when you will add all these things. Okay, the house rent allowances of 15% of pay will be paid if accommodation is not provided by the bank. Okay, ji. The seniority will be there. Yes. So now eligibility conditions. The first condition is Indian national should be there. Yeah, Nepal, Bhutan refugee, Tibetan refugee will be there, but I am focusing on the Indian nationals. The age limit is mentioned here. A candidate must have attended the age of 21 years and must not have attended the age of 30. So between 21 to 30 you guys can apply. okay, on July 1st 2024, or it's mentioned he she must have been born not earlier than 2nd July 1994. Okay, the upper age limit here, the age relaxation rules are mentioned. Please check it out, dear students. Each and every detail related to the age relaxation is mentioned here. Now, minimum education qualification. So, officers in grade B, D are the student should have, or the candidate should have graduation in any discipline or equivalent technical or professional qualification with minimum 60% marks. So, if you are having BE BTech with minimum 60% marks in any of the branch, you are eligible for applying here. Or if you are having ME MTech, the post graduation in any discipline, equivalent technical or professional qualification with minimum 55% mark. So if you want to go there, if you are having MTech degree, then minimum 55% marks is required. If you are having BE BTech, then minimum 60% marks required. Okay. Now, so this is clear. Offers in grade B. Okay, one more thing, note is mentioned here. Ki any such course from a recognized university that is taken after class 12th and is at least of 3-year duration, so you are applicable here. So in this case, BE BTech students which are having 4-year degree, then you are also eligible. Okay. So this is so I think clear. Okay. When to 65% marks in terms of the CGPA also this is mentioned, you need to go with the CGPA criteria. Scheme of selection, yeah, this is important thing. So selection for the post will be done through online or written examination in phase 1 and phase 2 and interview. So there will be 3 steps: phase 1 exam, then phase 2, and then the interview will be there. So detail of the scheme we can just check here when I will click. Is it applicable? No, not. Okay, now I think it is applicable. Okay, so scheme of selection and syllabus for the officers in grade B, it's mentioned the syllabus also. The what is the first thing? Selection will be through online application and online examination and interview only. Phase 1 online examination will be objective type. This will comprise a single paper of 200 marks and will be held on the 8th September. Depending on the number of candidates, the examination may be held in multiple shifts and on some other days also. So you will get all the updated information on this website only. Okay, G. Now, so in this paper, what you will have in this, the paper will consist a test of general awareness, English language, quantitative aptitude, and reasoning. Which one? Paper 1. Okay, or phase 1 paper only. Now, a total time of 120 minutes will be given for answering. However, separate time will be allotted for each test. Other detailed information regarding the examination will be given in an information handout which will be made available to the candidates for download along with the admit card for the examination from the RBI website also. Okay, G. Now the next thing is candidates have to secure minimum marks separately for each test as well as in the aggregate. So here they are having section wise test also, and you need to, if you want to get selected, then you need to secure, okay, aggregate marks also, but section wise marks also. Okay, now the candidates who secure minimum marks separately for each test as prescribed will be shortlisted for the phase 2 examination. So this is very simple thing. First, you need to appear with the phase 1, then you will go for the phase 2. Phase 2 will be also an online examination. This will be on 19th October 2024. And then here it will be having the paper 1 economic and social issues type of paper, 50% objective, 50% descriptive, 30 minutes and 90 minutes. Number of questions not mentioned, but marks are mentioned 100 only, 50 plus 50, 50 plus 50. Second paper 2 will be English written skills. So this will be descriptive, totally descriptive. Okay, 120 minutes, 90 minutes is mentioned here. You can see. Okay, this is mentioned 120, 90 minutes. Then paper 3 will be there, general finance and management, 50% objective, 50% descriptive, 90, 30, 90. So 120 minutes will be there overall. Okay. So then the interview will be there. Candidates will be shortlisted for the interview based on the aggregate of marks obtained in phase 2, paper 1, 2 and 3. The minimum aggregate cutoff marks for being shortlisted for the interview will be decided by the board. Okay. Now, so this is the selection process, and here they mention for the phase 2. Phase 1 is so simple in general. For phase 2, they mention the syllabus also. For economics, what is the syllabus? Okay. For English, what is the syllabus? For general finance, what is the syllabus? So this is mentioned clearly here, dear students. Okay. Now let's get back to here. What is this is the selection process very clearly mentioned. And if I am talking about the The center, so they mention the center also. So online examination centers for the phase 1, here they mention the cities for the center. For the phase 2 also this is mentioned, and for the center for the phase 1 and phase 2 also this is mentioned. Okay, so you can check it out. Yeah, this is the application fees. So for SC, ST, PWBD, intimation charges only, that is 100 plus 18% GST. For general OBC, EWS category, application fee including intimation charges means 850 plus 18% GST. If you are already working in the RBI, so there is no requirement of doing any fees. Okay. So it's mentioned here how to apply. The selection process will be clear, and how to apply, you need to go to this website and you can just apply. And before applying, as I told you already, the last date you need to be careful, which I'm repeating again, as this is a very long PDF, but you need to be make sure about the last date will be 16th August, dear students. If you think you are interested for doing this job with the RBI, so surely you can apply, because being an engineering graduate, you are having this opportunity for fighting this examination. Thank you.